Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. It sounds like a dream, right? But it's possible with a simple morning routine. In this video, we'll share the inspiring story of Riya, a young student from Bengaluru who transformed her life by adopting a few easy steps each morning. Learn how waking up early, exercising, eating a healthy breakfast, and planning your day can bring about positive changes in your life. Get ready to unlock your potential and make every day a success. In the busy city of Bengaluru, a young student named Riya felt tired and overwhelmed every day. She had big dreams but found it hard to stay focused and happy. One evening, Riya's grandmother shared a secret, a good morning routine. She said, "A good morning can make your whole day better." Riya decided to try it. She made a simple morning routine with 4 steps. 1. Wake up early. Riya set her alarm for 6 a.m. Waking up early gave her more time to get ready and think about her day. She loved the quiet and calm of the morning. 2nd, exercise. Riya started doing yoga for 15 minutes every morning. It made her feel fresh and full of energy. She enjoyed stretching and breathing deeply. 3. Healthy breakfast. Riya stopped skipping breakfast. She ate fruits, yogurt, and nuts. This healthy meal gave her the energy she needed for the day. Plan the day. Riya spent a few minutes writing down her goals and tasks for the day. She made a to-do list and felt more organized. Within a week, Riya felt more energetic and happy. Her new morning routine helped her concentrate better in her studies and brought her closer to her dreams. Riya's story spread in her school. Her friends also started following the same routine and felt the magic of a good morning. Try a simple morning routine. Wake up early, exercise, eat a healthy breakfast, and plan your day. See how it changes your life for the better. Thank you for watching. Remember, small changes in your morning routine can lead to big improvements in your life. Embrace these simple steps and watch how they transform you into a better version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content. Let's make every day a step towards a brighter and more successful future.